Wehner, team leader of the Wehner Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and welcome to Agent Lunch Hour. This is your time to grow your business. Today I'm going to be talking about the Greatness Tracker. What is the Greatness Tracker? It is the formula for your success on how to exponentially grow your business. And this is a copy of what it looks like, and this is going to detail all of the activities you should be doing every single day and week to meet your goals. I'm going to break down what is in the Greatness Tracker and how to utilize them. Number one, we're going to talk about face-to-face. You're going to have 5 face-to-face meetings every single week. This can be a morning coffee group. Maybe you have an exercise group. Maybe you are having an open house, but you are belly to belly with people that know you're an expert real estate agent in your area and will refer you. The second is the break breads. Now, break breads can be a breakfast, a lunch, a dinner, a coffee. Could even be a hike, who knows, whatever your jam is. But this is gonna be a time one-on-one where you're meeting with maybe a past client, a sphere of influence, family, friend, but this is a relationship building business and your time to really get deeper into the relationships we have. The third is contacts. These contacts every single week, 100 a week. Now it might seem like a big number, break that down, 20 calls a day. And I will say contacts, not calls. So if you just left a voicemail, you didn't hit that number. Now you could do this in one of 2 ways. I know life can get busy as a real estate agent. Time block every morning for prospecting. Sometimes you're not going to be able to get 20 contacts in during that 1 or 2 hour prospecting period. What I've also found useful is what I call sprints. And this is where I might time block 30 minutes in 2 or 3 different chunks and call as many people as I can get in contact with during those call sprints. So maybe I got 12 contacts on my long morning prospecting session. I had 3, I had 2, and I had 3, and then now I have my 20 contacts. Events, leveraged events. Who doesn't like going to happy hour and drinking some delicious drinks, martinis, sparkling cider if you're non-alcoholic, some good food, and talking with people they enjoy spending time with? So events, you can do a client appreciation event. Maybe you have a movie or a barbecue in the park and invite all your sphere, family, friends, and past clients. Maybe you're doing a monthly happy hour, but whatever you're doing, you're leveraging your time with multiple people and providing a fun time and maybe even packed with some value in there. Videos. Videos are not going away. And I know some people say, oh, I don't like video. I feel uncomfortable. Everyone feels uncomfortable. I didn't love it. I still don't love it. And I have about 4 million outtakes to prove it.
Hi, I'm Jen Wehner.
And I'm Jim Wehner.
So
But video is powerful and your clients see you, hear you, and you make one video, 1,000 people can view it. Make a video and make sure it's packed with value. Don't just talk about you need referrals. What's in it for them? You need to provide value, but by providing that value, people will come back to your video over and over again and be excited about the next one. And the last one I'm going to talk about is handwritten cards. I don't know about you, but ever since the internet took off and the longer that time goes by, I hardly ever get any handwritten cards. And when I do, I get excited to open one. Your clients, your family, the friends, the people that know, love, and trust you are just the same. So one thing that I've implemented into my daily practice for morning routine is gratitude. And instead of just expressing my gratitude, I'm putting my gratitude by putting pen to paper and writing the people that I do care for, that sometimes I just don't let them know enough how much I care for them, and I'm writing a thank you note or I'm thinking of you note. Start your day out, and you could start out small and do 2 handwritten notes, move up to 5, but let's have a goal of 10 handwritten cards a day. One thing that has really worked for me is going to a place that inspires me. So instead of driving straight to the office after the gym like I used to in the mornings, I now go to a Starbucks. I sit outside, I get a coffee, I feel more inspired, I whip out my handwritten cards, and I tell people, Thinking of you. So these activities that I've talked about, so the face-to-face, the break breads, the contacts, the events, videos, and the thank you cards, these are all the activities that you can do to not just double your referrals and not just triple your referrals. I would tell you that they will 10x your referrals. So I hope you enjoyed your sandwich or sushi or whatever you're munching on during agent lunch hour. If you would like a copy of our greatness tracker, please reach out to us at the number below, and we're happy to share. Also, happy to help you grow your business, so ask us how we can do that. And back to your work. I know you're busy. I'll let you get to that next showing. Anything I could do to help, please reach out and let us know. Have a wonderful day.